Hey everyone, welcome to Sheeba's Cookery World. In today's video, let's see the recipe of a simple Muskmelon Coconut Smoothie. It is very easy to make and you would need just few ingredients to make this smoothie. Click the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notification of new videos. Let's get started with the recipe. Firstly, you will have to chop the muskmelon into small pieces. Now take a mixer jar or a food processor and transfer these pieces into it. Add in some coconut water. Blend this well until it becomes smooth. Next, add in the coconut milk, some sugar, and some cardamom powder for the flavor. Blend once again until it's all well combined. Your Muskmelon Coconut Smoothie is now ready. Transfer the smoothie into a tall serving glass. You can add in some ice cubes and top it up with some muskmelon balls. Delicious and healthy Muskmelon Coconut Smoothie is now ready to be served. The coconut milk and the cardamom powder gives it a different flavor when compared to the normal muskmelon milkshake. So do try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section below. Click below to subscribe to my channel and you can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter and Blogger. Do check out some of the other interesting recipes on my channel below. Thanks for watching.